What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to fix the spike bug in Sonic 1 using the GitHub disassembly without having to make the ROM like revision 2 or anything. So this will work with revision 0 and revision 1. So first things first, this is only for the GitHub disassembly. This is not for the Hive Brain disassembly. So first things first, you'll need the GitHub Sonic 1 disassembly, which I'll leave in the description, but once you're here, you'll see code, and you'll click download zip. I already have it downloaded and everything, but I don't want to take up storage, but you just download that. Now, this will also work for whatever this is, Sonic 1 Spin Dash GitHub. I usually use this disassembly because it'll work on here too. This one might work because it says GitHub, so I assume it'd be similar. This one's Hive Brain, so I don't think it would work, but these ones and these ones as the Spin Dash disassemblies should work as well. But for the video, we'll be talking about the main Sonic 1 disassembly. Okay, now that we have the disassembly downloaded, you'll want to extract it, and you'll want to open it. By the way, if you're noticing that it says Sonic 1 GitHub, that's because I renamed the folder because I already have the disassembly and I don't want it like replacing stuff. So yeah. Anyway, so you'll go into Sonic 1 disassemb AS, and once you're in here, we're gonna look for inc obj, and once we're in there, we're gonna look for a file called 36spikes.asm, which it'll take like a second to find it, but we will find it eventually. It is right here. So we're gonna want to open that up, and once we do that, we're gonna look for Spike Hurt, which is around over here. So basically, now that we're here, we want to focus on like this area right here, specifically like around here. So first, what we want to do is clear out like how I just did. And instead we're going to write tst.w, and we're going to do a few spaces to match the top center paragraphs, whatever, and just basically like do whatever I do. So we're going to do $30 W, and then we're going to do a semicolon, and then we can type is Sonic vulnerable. Then we're gonna make a new paragraph. We're gonna do bne.s. We're gonna type spike display without the e. And then we're gonna do a few more spaces, and we're gonna do another semicolon, which should match the two ones up here. And then we're gonna do another 3 pluses, and we're gonna type if yes, branch. Then lastly, we're gonna do one more new paragraph. We're gonna do move.l. Then we're gonna do a0, comma, dash, parenthesis, sp with another parenthesis. Now, once we're done, it should look something like this now. So we're gonna hit the save icon up there, and we're gonna go back to over here, and we're gonna look for something that says build, which is it's this right here. Now sometimes you might get this error saying, it's not really an error, but it's like a pop-up saying Windows protected your PC. Don't worry, this is safe. Just click run anyway. And what it's going to do is basically build a ROM of Sonic 1 with the spike bug fix, which if we did it successfully, it'll look like that. And if we look right here, we see S1 built. Now we're going to open this up with any Sega Genesis emulator. Most of them work. I usually use POC for Genesis, but you can use whatever. So the ROM seems to be working, as you can see. And I'm gonna fast forward it just so we don't have to wait. And what we want to do is just to see if it works, we're gonna try and find a bunch of. Let's go look for that. I found some right here. Let's go hit real quick. And if you notice, we don't immediately die or anything like that. See? That means it worked. I think there's like another invincibility. Yep, right here. As you can see, we're not getting killed or hurt or anything by the spikes because we have invincibility. And just to show that the spikes still work, you already seen it, but it'll work more like how Sonic 2 and Sonic 3 and Knuckles work, where, you know. So we'll just wait for a sec. And we'll wait one more sec. And there you go. We have successfully fixed the spike bug in Sonic 1. If you like this, then cool. I might make more Sonic 1 ROM hacking tutorials or even other ROM hacking tutorials that's more than just Sonic, but I might make more tutorials in the future. Anyway, I hope this helped, and if you're looking forward to make like a Sonic ROM hack or something, like Sonic 1 ROM hacking, then maybe this is something you could consider. But anyway, thanks for watching, bye.